finding the each exterior angle for any regular polygon. This is 360 divided by n, where your n is number of sides. Okay. And one more formula that you know, minus 2 into 180, right? You can also write it as 2n minus 4 into 90, or you can also write it as n minus 4, sorry, n minus 2. So if the exterior angle is given 24 degrees, you can find the number of sides, because you know one formula, right? What is the formula? Exterior angle equals to 360 divided by n, right? Yeah. So you have 24 already equals to 360 by n. So you can just find out the value of n. So n will be 360 divided by 24. And how much will get?
15.
15. Okay, good. So the answer is 15. Okay. So there will be 15 sides if the polygon is having exterior angle as 24. You have to find the number of sides. So this question can be done in two ways. Okay. So one way is just find the exterior angle. Find the exterior angle. Then you know that number of side can be given as 360 divided by exterior angle. So this is one of the method that you can use. And the another method is, you know that sum of the interior angles in any polygon is how much? N minus 2 into 180, right?
Yes.
So if each angle is like 165 degrees, so total angles will be 165 into n. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so you can use any of these two methods, but this one will be easier, finding the exterior angle and then putting that value here. So you know that exterior angle plus interior angle is equals to 180 degrees. So from here you can just get the exterior angle, and the exterior angle will be 180 minus 65, and that will give you how much? 15, right?
15.
Good. So your number of side will be 360 divided by 15. So it will give you 24, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Same answer like the previous one. So there will be 24 sides. And if you are solving it with another way, so you just have to simplify this one. So you will get 180n minus 360 equals to 165n, and then if you will solve it, so you will get 15n equals to 360. So overall, like, the answer will be same, calculation also will be same. You see, 24. Okay. So you can use any of these two methods with a regular with measure of exterior angle as 22 degrees. Okay. So if the exterior angle is 22 degrees, so is it possible to have a regular polygon?
No, ma'am. It is not divisible.
So here how we will do this? So you know number of side is equals to how much? 360 divided by exterior angle, right? Yeah.
It is not divisible.
Now if you just divide this 22, the 360 by 22, if you find out, so keep on coming. So here the answer is coming in points. That means the number of sides will always be in whole numbers. Okay. Okay. So 16.36 is not possible, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
hence you can say that this regular polygon is also not possible, which will have exterior angle as 22 degrees. So the second part is, can 22 degree be an interior angle? So how we will do this one? So here again,
exterior angle will.
yeah. So here again, you can do it with the exterior angle, or either you can do with another formula that I've given. The second method you can do in this way: n minus 2 into 180 degree divided by n is equals to 22. So if here also if you get n in whole numbers, then your answer, you can say that it will be a regular polygon, otherwise it will not. Or the second method is find the interior angle corresponding to 22 degrees. So you'll get how much?
158.
Yeah, 68.
I'm 158.
Good. So here And if you want to do it in this way, you can do in this way as well. So it will be 22n. So you'll get 180n minus 22n equals to 360. So if you'll solve this one also, you'll get the same. N equals to 360 divided by 158. So n will be same, 2.27, right? Find what is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. So you have to find the minimum possible angle for regular polygon. So how we'll do this question? Can anyone tell? Rohit has already done. So minimum interior angle possible. So see, whenever like you will see for triangle, the angle is 60 degrees, right? If you just move ahead with another polygon, it's a square, so the angle is 90 degrees. If you go for pentagon, so you will see as we are just increasing the number of sides, the angle is also increasing, the interior angle is also increasing, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here you have to find the minimum possible interior angle. So you will say that the polygon with least number of side is how much? Is 3, right? That is a triangle.
Triangle.
Okay, so the polygon with least number of side is 3, that is for the polygon. So the interior angle for that will be how much? 60 degrees.
60.
Good.
60.
Yeah.
60 degree. Then 60 degree.
Good. So in the sixth question you have B part as well. What is the maximum exterior angle? So maximum exterior angle will be the 180 minus the minimum interior angle, right?
Yes. Ma'am, it will be 120 degree.
Yes. So 180 minus
120 degree.
60 degree,
120 degree.
that will be 120 degrees. So you can take the screenshot for this one also and send it in the group. So class, actually your English teacher also wants to take your class, so we will do up to this, okay? And when English teacher will complete her work, then I'll send you the homework also, so that you can do, okay class?
Okay, ma'am.